This video explains how to attach banana plugs to the low voltage wire and connect to the ATMOX controller. Use banana plugs to connect wire to the controller. Each color is used for a different purpose or output. The colored plugs are used for the positive side of the wire. The black plugs are used for the negative side. Wires may vary, but usually have a smooth side and a grooved side. You should be able to feel the difference. ATMOX instructions show the smooth side as positive and the grooved side as negative. Be consistent across the full installation. Prepare the primary wire. Split the wire about 2 inches from the end. Be sure not to strip the internal wires during this step. Pull the wire ends apart. Use a wire stripper tool. At the end of the wire, remove the outer coating to expose about 3/8 inch of the internal copper. Repeat this for the other side of the wire. Remove the set screw from the red banana plug. Be careful not to lose it. Insert the positive side of the wire into the bottom of the red banana plug. Make sure you can see the copper wiring inside. Hold the banana plug in place. Put the screw back in and tighten. Repeat the same process for the black banana plug. For additional assistance, visit us at atmox.com or call us at 704-248-2858.